Hello, I'm Gavin Bakshi, a product marketing engineer in the Precision DAC product line. I wanted to share an exciting new product with you, which we are calling our Smart Analog Front Ends, or AFEs. To give a concise overview, our Smart AFEs are a combination of an ADC or comparator input, some sort of memory, like non-volatile memory to help with programming to aid in processing the inputs, and a digital to analog converter, or DAC, to produce our corresponding analog outputs. The Smart AFE is beneficial for applications that require a total closed-loop solution, since the AFE can sense, process, and control. Examples of applications which benefit are thermoelectric cooling and solenoid valve control, which are found in industrial applications, and multi-slope thermal fallback, which is found in automotive lighting applications. Smart AFEs help achieve self-reliant closed-loop circuits by replacing discrete analog circuits and MCUs with a simple one-chip sense, monitor, and control solution at lower costs. Reach out to us to see how we can help solve your design challenges with Smart AFEs. Thank you.